Hello, fourth graders. I just wanted to do a quick review of subtracting money. It's not any different than subtracting other numbers, except you have to be careful of your decimal points. So if I had the problem $24.37 minus $14.25, how would I solve that? I would write it vertically on top of each other, making sure that my decimal points lined up. And then I would subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then I have my decimal point. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 2 minus 1 is 1. $10.12. Notice I have my dollar sign already. I'll move it closer. On the computer, when you type your answers, you need to push Shift 4 to get your dollar sign. And don't forget your decimal point. That's the period on the computer. Now you can do the same thing even if you have to borrow. What if we had $33.21 minus $21.40? I write it vertically. And my decimal points line up. I subtract 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 4, I can't do 2 minus 4 because 2 is smaller than 4. I'm going to go over here to the ones place and cross off a 3, make that a 2, and this 2 becomes 12. Now it's 12 minus 4. You see how I did that? Which is 8. Then I have my decimal point. Now I have 2 left here, minus 1 is 1. And 3 minus 2 is 1. And I put my dollar sign. $11.81. Now you have to be especially careful lining up your decimal points when you don't have as many places on one number. This is $75.28 minus $6.15. I'm going to write it vertically, 75.28 minus, and I can't put my 6 here under the 7 because it's in the ones place. It has to go under the 5, and then my decimal point, and then 15. You line them up from the right. Now I can subtract. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 6, I can't do because 5 is smaller than 6. So I go over here and I borrow 1. That becomes 6. This becomes 15. Now it's 15 minus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And I put my decimal point right under the other two decimal points. And I bring down my 6 because there's nothing to subtract from it. Then I have to put my dollar sign. $69.23. Let's try one more. I'm going to write it vertically. $34.18 minus $2.46. Does that look right? Can I start here and say 3 minus 2? No, I can't. My decimal points are not lined up, and my 2 is not in the right place. My decimal point goes there, my 2 goes there. See how it's lined up from the right? The 6 and the 8, the 4 and the 1, and then the decimal points. 8 minus 6 is 2. 1 minus 4, I can't do 1 minus 4. I have to take that and make it a 3, and then make this an 11. 7, put a decimal point. 3 minus 2 is 1, and then bring down my 3. $31.72. Now, subtracting money is very important because when you buy stuff, that's what you're doing, is you're subtracting money, and you always want to make sure you get the right change. So, good luck on this. There's some problem sets after this to work on about subtracting money, and I know you'll do great on them.